what are we making today?
We're making a burger.
Burger, junk food.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Once in a while you may eat junk food, but only once in a month. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you will teach kids how to make burger?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to make it?
No, my papa is going to tell me.
Okay, your father is going to help you in making burger, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go into our kitchen and you and Papa will?
Make the burger.
Wow. What will you make? Veg burger or non-veg burger?
Non-veg burger because I'm non-vegetarian.
No, but I think he is making veg.
Then okay.
We will make aloo tikki burger, okay? And we will make veg burger sometime, non-veg burger sometime else, okay? When he will bring chicken, we will make chicken burger,
Okay.
okay? So let's start the process.
Okay.
So what are the ingredients that you will use while making the burger?
First the potato, and then the beans,
Peas, green peas.
peas,
This is breadcrumb,
and this is breadcrumb,
some cheese,
cheese, yes,
onions,
onions,
and some dry spices.
or dry spices.
Oh,
So now you can,
Let's
use the
start
potato.
the peeling.
Yeah.
okay.
Use your
Let's
both hands
start
to
the
peel
peeling.
Yeah.
Use both hands, Aru.
Okay.
Pick it from one hand and peel from the other hand. Okay.
Very nice.
So now we have to mash the potato. I've already mashed it. I mean, my papa did it.
जोर से बोलो ना आरू.
So, okay.
Yeah.
So I'm mashing the potato.
Hold the utensil properly. Hold the bowl. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, it's okay. You don't have to mash it fully. Now, what you can do, you can mix these peas. You can mix some onion.
Okay, papa.
Okay? Or you
Yes.
can mix more onion if you want. Then you can put this chaat masala.
Oh, it looks very spicy.
It will not be spicy. Okay? Now you have mixed it. You have to put some salt. Okay?
Okay.
Some salt.
Salt to taste.
And then some chili powder also.
Whoa, spicy, spicy.
Okay?
Okay,
And
papa.
after that, what you will do, you have to mix all these things together.
Okay.
This even Aru can do, right?
Yes.
Do it.
I mean,
Yeah, you can mix it. Mix all, everything together.
I'm pretty bad at it.
Okay, you will learn like this, no?
And the big pieces of potato, you can mash it.
Say hello, Papa.
Hello.
What are you doing, Papa?
I am making patties.
Patties or burger?
Patties for the burger.
Oh.
Aaron likes it
We
very
call
much.
it tikki. We call it tikki in Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So this is aloo
Now,
tikki.
What is this? What is this? This is cheese.
Cheese.
Yes.
Oh.
So either you can mix the cheese in this mixture, or what we can do is we can put it inside while making the tikki. Okay. Now what I'll do, we will put some breadcrumbs
Breadcrumbs.
here so that it can have good binding. Okay.
Acha, breadcrumbs for binding.
Okay. So that when you try to give a shape, it will take a good shape.
And the tikki will be firm enough.
Yeah, and it will form enough so that when you fry it, it will not break.
Okay.
Okay.
The smell, it smells kind of good.
Yeah. So I've given it a little more. Okay.
Now it smells like bread.
Okay.
Papa, now show me how to make the tikki.
Yes. Now everything it is ready. What we can do is we can take this much, around this much. We have to make a big tikki.
Oh.
Okay. And
I see you bought the buns.
yeah, that will be for the burger.
Okay.
And what we can do, we can put
Oh, cheese inside the tikki.
Ooh.
Wow, this will be quite cheesy, Aru.
Yes.
some here. Yes.
Oh,
And
you love
then we can-
cheese?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Kind of, but yes.
Okay,
See
you
this?
know cheese is very rich in protein and all the kids should have lots and lots of cheese.
Oh, okay.
It will help you in growing well and you will become strong.
See this now. What we have done, we have put the cheese inside and close this. Okay.
Okay.
And we'll give some
Round
flat
shape.
shape. Round shape.
Round
okay?
and flat shape to it.
Okay.
So it actually looks
And why
like
round shape, Arav? You know why round shape?
because
Because your burger is also round in shape.
Now what we have to do? Okay. Let me get another spoon.
But Papa, what are you going to do with the rest?
I'll tell you. Wait.
Okay.
Now I just put my spoon here and put some water.
Little bit of water.
Okay.
Why water, Papa?
Yes, why?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Now I'll put like this. And again,
Oh, to
so that-
make this crispy with breadcrumbs.
okay.
The breadcrumbs
So
will
it
stick
have
on
a
the
nice-
sticky.
This will have a nice coating
Yeah.
of bread, you know.
Breadcrumbs will easily stick on the sticky, and breadcrumbs will make this sticky what? Crispy.
Crispy, yes.
And Aru will love it.
Papa,
Yeah.
I noticed that you managed to make the tikki like stronger. It doesn't like fall.
Yeah,
It's
because
like
of
glued
the
onto it.
yeah, this is because of the breadcrumbs he used.
Oh.
Now, what to do?
Now,
Now you have to
We will.
boil it.
Naro, do you know you have another surprise as well?
oh, what's the surprise?
See this and just try
Oh
to
my
find out
God, what is this?
What is
Chicken!
Oh, chicken, yes.
Oh
what it is. You might get
ho!
this also.
So Arav,
Which-
today is your treat day and cheat day both.
Yes.
Cheat day because you are getting a burger, and treat day because you are getting a chicken, fried chicken.
Now your
Wow.
bun is little roasted, you know. It
Yeah,
has
the
been
bun has
warm.
been roasted.
And take it out.
Now what will you do, Papa?
And then I will roast this. I'll take a little oil from this.
And
Okay, you will shallow fry the
and I
tikki.
want
Yes.
to tell something
Oh.
Yes.
to everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead.
The buns aren't bad for you. The middle part is only bad for you
Okay, why middle part is bad, baby?
because
It is made of
yes,
it is made of flour,
It is made of
White
flour.
white flour,
White flour.
which
That
is
Which
Maida.
is bad for
which sticks in the intestine and the tummy.
Yes, I completely.
Okay.
But
Now what I do is come here.
homemade ones
Huh?
are not bad. Homemade
Okay,
ones
now
are
come-
actually
now come
good.
Yeah, it is better, but
Now come
still.
here.
Now see what is Papa doing. Come on.
Now what you can do is
Oh, he's shallow frying the tikki.
Okay.
Aru, my mouth is watering. Is your mouth also watering?
Yes, sir. Literally. How did you guess that?
I could guess it.
you can
Oh.
come closer. See how it is getting fried.
Aru is
Be
lit-
careful,
So
huh?
we will fry
Arav
it
is
on
little
fry it on a very slow,
scary of the fire, right? But there's nothing
No,
to
nothing
worry.
to scare.
Papa is there. Papa will not
And here-
let anything happen to you.
And here what we'll do is, it is the same chicken which I had made for you, okay? Just
I'm gonna get
a
a.
day back,
Oh,
and I just saved some for you. So I'm going to give you
I'm
this
gonna
one.
get a.
Yes, you are going to get one.
Chicken burger.
Whoa!
What are you gonna get?
What a sound! What a sound, Arav!
Yes, sir. It's like it's boiling.
Yeah. And how is your tikki doing?
The tikki is alright.
Abhi the tikki is not frying much.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh, so fast!
See this.
Oh, the color has started coming.
Yes.
Wow, it's so fast. And the peas are so green and nice.
Did you know that the green veggies that were put into it is going to also heat up?
We are just becoming little
No, so
health
we will
conscious
not
and
we
using
will
very
not
little oil.
fry it very much, Aru. It will be shallow fry so that the goodness of the potato and the green veggies
And
remains.
See, your chicken is also getting fried, The
Wow.
KFC chicken.
I
which had
love
made
the
at home.
sound of this.
It is KFC, but this is a homemade chicken.
Yes, homemade. I have made the KFC side.
But the
Oh,
it will be
okay.
crispy chicken like KFC gives us.
And in the meantime, what I'll do is
And
I'll take
loots
out
us
some
also.
mayonnaise.
KFC stuff is so expensive.
Yeah.
Which your dad is going to make it in.
Just like the other company which makes overpriced
So
phones.
I have
Yeah.
see this. I have taken
Apple.
Now,
tomato ketchup,
and the
And
mayonnaise.
mayonnaise. Okay. So I'll put one layer of tomato sauce here.
I mean, it's a number one. It's a number one electronic store, so it
And
will
I'll
definitely go up
Yeah. And I'll put one layer of mayonnaise here.
Wow.
Oh,
And what you can do is, you can put some veggies also, like tomatoes, onions, lettuce, and any other kind of, you can put it. So what you can do is, okay,
what's the patty doing right now? Still,
That is being fried.
patty is done, beta.
oh, the
Because
patty.
it's already cooked, Only like we are just giving color to it.
See, so fast your burger is being made.
So now what to do?
Any kid can make it, only that the kids don't have to come
Now,
near the gas.
what to do?
Yeah, they have to take help
We'll
of their
take this
parents.
tikki
Either father or mother or anyone
Put it here,
elderly.
okay?
I also see sauce put down there.
Wow. Aru, I love it.
Yes, me too.
You will find your cheese inside this. See this.
Where's the cheese? I cannot.
And you see,
It's not being captured.
if you want, you can put some.
Yeah, mayonnaise smeller. That's
So
the
this is
best
some
thing.
chaat masala. If you want, you can put it here.
But I don't think I really would like it. But
Chaat masala. Oh, Papa is making an Indian style of burger. Wow.
oh,
It's not the typical American ones. It's an Indian style. Wow. Papa, why don't you open one restaurant of yours? People will love your style.
Now
and you
you
will
see
also
this.
get money,
Yeah. Now what you can do, you can
But
cover this.
Oh.
the only problem is where are you going to start it, though?
Okay.
Where are you going to start it, though?
So this is,
He can start on the street also.
I mean, yes, that's
and here goes your
yes.
chicken fries. Okay.
Skin fry.
Oh, it's fried.
I
Wow.
mean,
Crispy chicken.
You are basically a chef. You are basically a professional chef.
Yeah.
Burger. You can make pizza burger.
Yeah.
You are basically a professional chef.
Yes.
Wow. What a chicken.
So
And
it
what
is
a
done.
burger. Come on, Arav, let's plate this. Okay?
Okay.
So put the burger on the plate. Wow. And
I
the
also
chicken,
have
it's very, very
chips.
hot, I guess.
Yes, it's
And you can put it here.
I also had
And
chips.
also put the chips. Yeah. And Arav has also plated this so nicely. Oh my
I
god.
mean, you can have some if you want.
Let me just click it. Oh. Oh, Arav, this is really nice plate that you made. So what all it has? A burger and a crispy
And
chicken.
ketchup as well.
And
And
And Aru wants some.
oh, he wants ketchup also.
Some ketchup as well.
Okay. Okay, great. So, Arav, wow, you have a nice meal.
and please like and subscribe and share, and I will enjoy my burger for now.
Whoa. Arav, will you give me this burger? A little bit of it?
No.
Sure.
Sure. Oh, thank you, baby.